going to talk about how to make bubbles. First, we need warm water and then sugar. This soap, and then we need a big bowl. So that is what you need, okay? And then we a big spoon, okay? So first we need to put sugar. Yeah, okay? Yeah. So, see, we put sugar here, and then we'll put water in the middle.
Is that heavy?
Yeah. So then we stir. Until the sugar is dissolved. Okay. Look at me. Wait. It has lots of sugar, so we have to stir a lot. You can try. Let's see. Okay. And then we will put a dish, and then we'll put a dish soap into the cup of sugar. Wait. Okay. Just a little bit. Put here. So you see? Okay, then we'll put in the mixture, and then now we stir. First I'm stir first, okay? Okay, you can try. We stir. Yeah, you see the bubbles, right? Stir. Let us stir. Stir until the soap is dissolved. Yeah. So now let's try this one first. Okay. Let's see if that makes it. Okay, I'm for the maybe. Have a little bit of bubbles. So that is the end of the video.